Car's put back together and I went out and took it for a test drive. And man, the difference is amazing. This Stage 3 Plus makes a huge difference. Now, so this particular car at idle was about 55 decibels. Now at idle now, sitting in the same location here in the garage, it's at 45 decibels. That's a full 10 decibel drop. And that is a huge difference. That is a massive difference. It is so much quieter. And really was quite shocking when I took it out onto the road, and it's down 9 decibels total. It went from an average of about 71 decibels up on the freeway with other traffic to 62 decibels. And it's really amazing, candidly. Cars come up right beside you and you don't hear them until you hear them through the glass itself. So while, as you can tell, this is a very detailed project and doing something of this size will take a fair amount of time, but the tools aren't hard or complicated, and the work itself isn't hard and complicated. This is a great thing to do maybe on a colder winter day, like as you can see me doing. So I highly recommend it. What an amazing thing to do, and I highly recommend this. But in this car, that really made the difference. And in getting a chance to take it out and drive it around, it is night and day difference. If you have an especially really loud car like a Jeep or some of those other trucks, I don't know why you wouldn't do this.